Welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Mommy Tech. So friend, without going to tell you how to you can transform data from iPhone to Android phone. For example, long videos, files and documents. So friend, without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, friend, open App Store and go search bar and select app name, share karo as such. See friend appear on screen, share karo app, this icon. See friend, transfer file and share file. Now friend, see friend download it. See friend, from this app you can send image, video and documents, audio, etc. For this video file from iPhone to Android device. Friend, you try this app and then tell you in comments you how can see this app. So friend, hopefully you like this video and this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more video notification in further. Thanks for watching.